Well, looks like they're actually going to be demolishing this last section of this old hospital here. The old Montreal Children's Hospital here on Atwater. And you can see up there, they're starting to dismantle this section of building. And as well as this one right over here. So I'm going to try to get some video of this. And as you can see, pretty empty now. They're gutting the interior. So I'm going to try to do a little bit of a walk around today and see what we can see. Yeah, so a little bit of a problem here. There's a lot of dust in the air. I don't really want to be breathing this stuff in. I'm going to try to get an angle opposite of the direction of the wind. Yeah, you can see that all that debris falling down from up there. So they are gutting this last portion of this building. I thought they were going to keep it and just kind of redo it. And let's take a walk over on the other street here on Rainy Levesque, opposite of where that smoke's coming from, that dust. Getting a little noisy in there. Alright, here's another view from Tupper. Here's a nice view of the side. Everything that's going on, you can see the big chunk of that building right there taken off. Walk around from a different angle and see what's happening. Alright, so here's a view from the side. This is facing to the west. See that section of building right there that they're going to be taking down. Try to get a view from the south looking north over here. Can't really see much here. Better view up here. I don't even know what I just recorded, but we'll see when I put it up. Alright, here's the view from Rainy Levesque. As you can see, there's a nice view of that building as well from here. This is facing northwest. There's actually people up there working. And we'll go across the street here and get one last view of this. Alright, so we're across the street here, and yeah, I guess they're working on the roof first. And eventually, I guess they're gonna do like last time, attach some cables to this building and just haul her down. Probably do it in sections, so hopefully I'll get to see it this time, because last time when they did that, I was on lunch and I got back to work, and literally about 10 minutes after I get back to work, they actually pulled the rest of that structure down. So we'll see one last view here, directly in front of it facing north, and I'll wrap it up. Try to get a view right between these trees here. And there's this little structure here as well that's being demolished. Quite the sight, I tell you. Alright, so I'll keep you all updated on this, and more videos to come.